Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to remove the window switch unit on my 2010 BMW F01 model. Now, as you can see on the picture, I thought that removing this entire unit was as easy as on some of the other BMW models, where you just basically take a prying tool and you pry the unit out. But as you can see, it didn't quite work out that well. I came to the conclusion that the only way to take this off, it seems, is to remove the door panel, because it seems that this unit is in some way screwed onto the door panel. So basically what it all boils down to is what I'm going to show you now. I didn't make a video of removing the door panel. There's a lot of videos on YouTube, that a couple of nice videos that shows you how to do that. So I'm just basically going to show you after the door panel has been removed on how to remove this unit. I don't know why BMW did this. I mean, there's so many other models where you can just use a prying tool and pry this unit out. Why they came up with this ridiculous idea, I honestly don't know, because it's a hell of a lot more PT now to remove it than just simply prying it out. So I'll quickly show you how this works. So what you do now is, after the door panel has been removed, all you do is flip it upside down, and then you'll see the bottom of the unit. There you will see these two white stick clips, or whatever you want to call it, and you have to remove them. It goes through a plastic cover which goes right through the window unit, the window switch unit. You just grab hold of it and squeeze it a bit and it unclips. I've already done that. So you can just, as I'll show you here, just pull it out, and that's basically it. This loose cover, as you see here, you can just leave that. It's not gonna be in your way to remove the rest of the window unit. You can just leave it there, and then all you have to do is to remove the electrical clip that's attached to the window unit, and then just turn it upside down again so that you can see the window switch unit from the top again. And all that basically remains now to do is take my very sophisticated, or your whatever prying tool you're using, just to unclip it like you would in so many other BMW models. You'll see it comes out now quite easily, and you can just totally remove it, and that's it. So this was an expensive, well, I wouldn't say too much of an expensive lesson, because I bought an entire unit anyway to replace the other one, because the window sheet isn't working anymore. So luckily I bought the entire unit that I could replace, even though I broke the other one. It's really not an issue. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful. Unfortunately, this is the only way that you can remove this unit. It's a lot of PT, like I said. I guess it's not the end of the world, but you have to remove the entire door panel. There's no other way that you're going to get this unit out. Thanks for watching.